Well, this update's going to be pretty quick because there's not really much to say. They fucking work. They work perfectly. I'm not completely sure how that worked with the amount of half-assery that went into actually putting these together. Yeah, it's been 3 weeks of these shoes being worn. I've walked through mud, dirt, grocery stores, everything, and they've been pretty perfect. They're not that dirty, I know, because I walked through some rain, but you know, they don't catch too much dirt at all, and the glue is not separating at all, so I would really say that this Gorilla Glue adhesive is some good shit. So, some things that I suggest doing if you're going to go and try this project out yourself. Do a better job at actually, you know, measuring the bottom of the shoe instead of half-assing it and fucking it up twice. Yeah, I suggest doing it right the first time. Also, probably not use such terrible shoes because they are falling apart more than I thought. So definitely keep that in mind. You want them to be like just garbage enough to actually like glue something to the bottom of them and not, you know, care. But still good enough to wear on a daily basis. And these are, but they look terrible. And the last thing really is figuring out how to go and get this TPU flexible filament to actually work right. You know, it works perfectly. You know, it works in this way, but I couldn't get it to print at all. And if I'm going to do this on any large scale, then it definitely has to be, you know, like optimized. And that 3D printer is not optimized for this at all. So this isn't the last of this project. I have more shoes that I could do this to. I have some ones that are getting a little ratty right here. Maybe I'll make something similar to this, but much better, with maybe some black flexible filament. But yeah, I gotta work on this. This is not the end. This is not the end. And if you guys are going to do anything like this, I suggest, you know, let me know. I'm on Instagram under Soup Tits. So yeah, go on there and send me a message. Send me a picture if you do try this ridiculous experiment, because it is great and it works perfectly. So yeah, I guess I'll see you guys in the next video where I make something stupid. Bye.